Hi! Can of Beard Grows here. How you doing? How you doing? I hope you're well. I do. Let me tell you a quick story.
Stay a while and listen.
A couple of years ago, I was working with this company, and I suggested a suggestion to them. I said, you guys need to do this. This is there's a hole in the industry, and we need this. And you know what they told me? We're on it. Our R&D development team is working on it. Anyway, without further ado, it's here. The wait is over. It's here. So let's unbox this puppy and check it out. Here we go. I mean, right off the bat, absolutely stunning box. I don't know why. Just the simplicity of it is really nice. It's a good looking box. Whatever. We're not here for the cardboard. Let's get into it. There we go. So right off the bat, you got yourself a booklet with some info. We got some foam. There it is. Ooh, it is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful fan. Look at this thing. So it's got speed control, oscillation control, and this here is a port for connecting it to the smart controllers. If you wanted it to run on a schedule or conditions or something like that, you can hook it up to the thing. I'll show you about that in a minute here. Anyway, let's get this song all out and put together. It's actually really easy. It's just sort of basically two major pieces. This is the extension cord and some strapping to help keep your cord management in check. So this is the clip. It'll clip onto a pole like a. It's got a good grip too. I was testing this last night with the other one, and it is got a good grip on it. So I just gotta. There we go. Get that in there, and find the hole. Where is the dang hole? There it is. There we go. I found it. There we go. Nice and snug. We'll just undo this. Actually, I was pretty impressed too. It's got a nice long cable on it too. It's like, I'm not too sure how tall this is, but it's taller than me, so it's probably like a 7-foot cable, something like that. I don't know. Good length, that's for sure. Anyway, yeah, let's turn it on. Alrighty, let's just plug it in here. Oh, it's on oscillation already. Let's let it. There, I'll stop the oscillation. The dots on the back represent speed, obviously. Let's put it up to about half. Yeah. And there's a warning on here that says, do not plug in this thing into the smart controller while it's powered on. Make sure the power is off if you decide to take this plug and plug it in there. While that's just sitting there blowing here, I'm going to take a look at the rest of the contents of this package just to sort of be consistent and open it all up and show you what's all in here. So we've got a little 3M adhesive mount. We've got a little zap strap so you can mount some of the cables to something. This is the adapter for the ACINFINITY computer, the smart controller, and the cable adapter. So this goes into the back of your fan, and then this goes into here like that. And this is another good like 10-foot cable, nice and long. And this allows you to connect your fan again to those smart controllers, so you can have it turn on when the conditions are right, when it's too hot or too humid or whatever you set it to. Alright, so here's the smart controller. Now it's got two plugs, one for my main fan under here, and then this we can connect this other one right here so that when this thing kicks on, it'll kick on the fan as well. So that's super cool. Now let's connect this thing up on a tent somewhere and let's see it oscillate. Let's turn on the oscillation and just clip it onto the side of this tent here like that. Good grip. It's even clipping on the outside. Nice. Nice. Real nice. Now again, this is only on half right now. It's only on 50%, 6 out of 10, and it has got a really nice breeze. Let's stop it for a second. Stick it on max. Nope, I turned it off. There we go. Let's stick it on maximum and oh yeah, it's got some power to it. There we go. Looking good, ACINFINITY. Looking good. If you too also want one of these fans, well, at the time of the release of this video, you can't buy them. They're not available yet. This is a developer's kit. I have 2 of them for giveaways right here. I have 2 more of these bad boys right here. Oops. 2 more for giveaways for part of my Dabmas giveaway, which is a Christmas thing. I'm doing 12 days of Christmas. We're going to do a dab and a giveaway every single day of Christmas this year. So I got 2 of these beautiful fans that are not available yet to give away. Thank you, ACINFINITY. And when the time comes and they are available on the market, I will post links below in the description and in the comment section below. Anyway, let me know what you think of these new fans. Let me know if you're going to get one when they're available to the regular public. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're not already for some weird reason, and I'll see you on the next episode.